Hello, welcome to Way Programming channel. Before this, we have seen control statements for selection statement. For example, if, else, do, case. Now, today we are going to look at a second type of control statement, which is repetition statement. The first one we'll see for next. The general syntax for next statement is we start a for statement and then there is a counter, then we equal it to a start number, to an end number, and then we can also specify how it increase the number, either +1, +2, or -1, or whatever number which is appropriate to our current problem. Then under which we put the statements, and if certain cases is fulfilled, you can let it exit the loop, or we can also ask it to do the next loop by using exit and loop statement. There must be a next to end the repetition statement for next. Okay, to look at the example, we start the IDE. Now you are using HMGS IDE. So for this simple example, I would like to have a not GUI, but a console program to easily demonstrate. So we start a new program, new project, inside which we put for next. Okay, so for this project, we would like it to be console mode and not GUI. So we uncheck GUI, we click console mode. And then for the program editor, I would prefer Notepad++. Then we are using BCC 5.8. Okay, so click OK, and then we start a new module. This module, we call it the same name for next, and then it pop up on its own. So since we are using console, we can just delete the Windows setup, and for the for next statement, we have to start for and then end with next. Okay, so for, let's say we say end counter equals to 1 to say 8. Okay, 8, and then step 1, we start with 1 first, and then we print a statement, say this is number, and then continue with end counter. Okay, then we ask it to go to the next number. Is there already? Then before it exit, we would like it to wait for us to press any key to continue. Okay, so this is a simple program. Function is main, and for encounter equals to 1 to 8, step 1, and then we print the number. So you print, so before we compile it, we save by pressing Ctrl S, and then we compile. Waiting for the compilation. It takes some time for the first time it runs. Okay, Alright, so we successfully generated. So the number printed is from 1 until 8. Okay, so let's see if what happened if we step 2. So here we change it to step 2, save, then compile again. Obviously, when we compile it second time, it is faster. So you can see that it start from 1, then step 2 to 3, add 2 to 5, add 2 to 7, and then add 2 to 9, but it's already more than 8, so it stopped. Okay, so that is for today's. Hope you can do it on your own.